A manufacturer sells his product to the distributor at 10% profit, who then sells it to the retailer at 8% profit. If the retailer pays rupees 2376 for the product, what is the factory cost? Now, let's assume the factory cost is at X rupees. Now, that is the cost incurred by the manufacturer. Now, he is selling the product to the distributor at 10% profit. That means he is selling the product by increasing the price by 10%. So the multiplier will be 1 plus 10 by 100. So X into 1 plus 10 by 100 is the cost price for the distributor. Now, the distributor is making 8% profit on this product while selling it to the retailer. That means he will have to multiply this thing by 1 plus 8 by 100 because it's again 8% profit. Now, this is the selling price for the distributor and it's also the cost price for the retailer. And the retailer's cost price is given to us as 2376. So let's simplify this thing. So this becomes X into 11 by 10 into 108 by 100 is equal to 2376. Now let's divide 2376 by 11. So if you divide this by 11, you will get 216. Now 216 is 108 multiplied by 2. So therefore, we get X is equal to 2000, which is the factory cost.